Hi class. Today we're going to watch CNN 10. I will pull up CNN 10 right now.
Hello and happy Friday. I'm Coy. Welcome to CNN 10. Many of you closing out Teacher Appreciation Week, showing love to leaders like Miss Rivera and Miss McDaniel at McGoffin in El Paso, Texas, lifting up all of your Lobos and us. And Miss Faye and young Mr. Vincent at WJCC schools in Virginia. Big heart hands for all of our educators out there. Keep showing your teachers love, y'all. All right, time to get you your news for the day. And we do start with some of the scary weather happening out there. Tornadoes, hail, flash floods, severe weather is rocking the United States, and there doesn't seem to be an end in sight. In fact, there has been at least one tornado reported in the U.S. every day since April 25th. That's according to the Storm Prediction Center, a U.S. government group that tracks and forecasts severe weather. On Wednesday in Tennessee, at least 4 powerful tornadoes tore through the Volunteer State.
I just heard it. It was a roar. That's all it was a roar. And it's gone. We have farm animals, and we don't know where nothing's at.
The severe weather also brought flash floods, which led to water rescues and blocked roads north of Nashville. So far, strong storms across the central and southern U.S. have caused at least 4 deaths. This powerful tornado just pummeled Portage, Michigan earlier this week. You can see one tree toppled after the next. Luckily, no serious injuries reported in Portage. The Storm Prediction Center says April to June is the most active time for tornadoes in the U.S., and May is often the busiest month. In Brazil, more rain is expected today through Sunday. Torrential downpours have already caused catastrophic flooding in the southern part of the country, affecting more than 1 million people. Tens of thousands of people have been rescued. More than 100
Hello,
have
Adobe
been killed.
Bluffers.
McKenna
This
Ewan
is an
has
earthquake
more on the
drill.
difficult
Please hide your
times.
desks immediately until the ground is shaking. Thank you. Great job, Adobe Bluffers. The earthquake has stopped shaking. You may now evacuate from the field. Thank you.
Hey, Miss Ashley,
Yes, Junior.
can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, but make it quick.
I am ditching from the field. Oh, the fire alarm didn't go off, because it's earthquake drill today, and this is only a practice, not a false alarm. What are you looking at? Watch this. Now that's more like it. This should do the trick.
Roses are red, lawns are all dewy. I'm filling your gift with a nose full of gooey.
Phew, that was close. Thank you.
Junior, I was looking for you. You just ditched from the field during an earthquake drill. That's it. Go home right now. You are expelled.
So woo
Junior, I cannot believe you ditched from the field during an earthquake drill. That's it. You are grounded for 10 billion years. Go to your room now.
Wow.